if you guys are having a hard time with the negatives, you guys can draw the number line. So -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So from -4 all the way to -1, how much did you add? 3. Right, because 1, 2, and 3. We need to add 1, 2, 3 steps in order to get from -4 to -1. So, with that first logic, or with that first idea, we now have an idea that, oh, if this is an arithmetic sequence, then the common difference is 3. So let's check it. Let's erase these terms. So let's check it. So 4 plus -4 plus -1. Oh, -4 plus -1 equals 3. That's the common difference. So now, in order to get from -1 to the next term, I need to add another 3. So -1 plus 3, let's make 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be the term number 2. So again, now that we're out of those negatives, you guys can continue with your number lines if you guys want to, but this is gonna be just a simple additions, which is, I'm assuming that everyone is already mastered from now on. So if we have 5, how do we get to the next term? Right, by adding 3. So 5 plus 3 equals, yes. So, what if, how do we figure out, what if I want to figure out the number from, what if I want to figure out the previous number if I am given the next number? If we are adding in order to get the next number, then how can we know the previous number if we are given the next number? Right, so you can subtract 3 to get from 14 to the previous number, or either add 3 from 8 to get to the next one. Let's check if that's correct. Oh, sorry. So if you get from 8 to the next number, you add 3, and if you get from 4 to the previous number, you minus 3. Let's check what have we already been started. So let's keep adding the common difference. So 8 plus 3 should give you the next number, which is, yes, 11. Okay, so let's try if we get the same thing. If we subtract 3 from 14, 14 minus 3 is, yes, 11. So it's the same thing. You know what this means? You just got 2 ways on how to fill in the blanks when you're given an unknown sequence, a sequence with unknown terms in it. Okay, so next, let's solve for the next term. 14 plus 3 equals 17. And the last term is gonna be, yes, 20. Good job, everyone. So again, is this an arithmetic sequence? Yes, because it has a common difference of 2. Okay, what about the next number or the next sequence? I would like you guys to pause the video and work on this sequence again. Okay, I'm assuming that you guys have already paused the video, so now let's get into it. So, first of all, what is the common difference? Right, it's 20. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so because from 10 to 30, we added 20 in order to get to the next term. So, okay, I would like you guys to use the idea that what if we want to get the next term from the given number? Oh, what if we want to get the previous term from the given number, from the next given number? So from 90, how do we get the previous number before that on this sequence? Right, so 90 minus 20 is, yeah, 70. What about this one? What about this one, this term? $50. You can either get it from subtracting 20 to 70 or by adding 20 to 30. So plus 20. With that logic, oh no, why did I erase that? So you can keep adding 20. So this one is gonna be 150 and this one is going to be 190. Good job, everyone. Oh no, we are now dealing with fractions. Nope. Did I just hear that? Oh no, fractions, I give up. No, that doesn't exist here. Okay, so now life goes on, so we have to deal with these fractions. Okay, so what is the common difference? Remember, all of us love math here. So show me those energy. So 1/3. So how did we get from 1/3 to 1? How do we get the common difference? How do we know how much was added from here to get to 1? We can actually figure that out by subtracting the next number to the previous number, right? Okay. So 1 minus 1/3. How do we do fractions again? Oh no! Okay, first you can just subtract the two numbers if one is a whole number, and make sure that both fractions have the same common denominator. So we have to make this as a fraction first by rewriting it as 1/1 minus 1/3. And how do we get these two have the same denominator? Right, it's 3 by multiplying 3 top and bottom. Now that they have the same denominator, we can now rewrite this as 3 minus 1 all over 3, which is 2/3. This is the common difference. Okay, so folks, that's just a heads up for fractions, and we can discuss about how to solve fractions later on. So I would like you guys, instead of solving this right now, I would like